Learn to crochet this daisy headband in just 5 minutes. Prepare yarn and a crochet hook. Yellow yarn magic ring. Start by wrapping the yarn around your left hand's little finger and ring finger. Then loop it around your index finger and middle finger. Pinch the crossover point with your thumb. Insert the hook into the ring. Pull up a loop. And yarn over to complete a slip stitch. Remove the ring from your fingers and hold it with your hand. Insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop to loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops to complete a single crochet. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Repeat this process to complete a total of 12 SC into the ring. Tighten the starting ring by pulling the tail end. Slip stitch into the first SC to join the round. Tighten the slip stitch as it does not count as a stitch. Cut the yarn and weave the end into the back of the work. Part 2, Petals. Join the white yarn to any stitch of the flower center. Chain 9. Then slip stitch into the next stitch of the flower center. This forms one petal. Demonstrate one more group. Repeat this process 12 times to create a total of 12 petals. After completing all petals, cut the yarn, leaving a tail, and weave the end into the back of the work to secure it. Part 3. Connecting petals 9 flowers total. For the second flower, chain 4. Then slip stitch into the 5th chain of a petal from the first flower. This is the highest point of the petal. Chain 4 again. Then slip stitch into the next stitch of the second flower. Repeat this process to connect 2 petals between the first and second flowers. Ensure symmetry by leaving 4 unconnected petals on each side of the flower. Repeat this process for all 9 flowers, connecting them in a balanced manner. Part 4. Tie and edging. Start with a chain 2. Then, work for unfinished half double crochet stitches into the first chain. To do this, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, and pull up a loop. Repeat this 4 times, keeping the loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook to complete a cluster. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Chain 50. Then connect the tie to the flower by working 1 single crochet into the flower base. Chain 3. Then work 1 single crochet into the next petal. Repeat this process around all petals, ensuring you chain 3 between each petal. After completing the edging, slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail, and weave the end into the stitches to secure it.